Miloedd o ymgynnull ar gyfer angladd Bonnie Tyler yn Abertawe. Thousands gather for Bonnie Tyler's funeral in Swansea. Cyfres pedwar a phenod rhif 357. Series 4 and episode number 357. Elfennau, elements. Yes, today's episode is about elements, chemical elements like hydrogen, etc. Came up in a question yesterday, so I thought we haven't covered that. So here it is. There's a periodic table in Welsh, colour groups for different things. Hover on one, you get the Welsh word, but underneath there's a key and there's audio for them with a chemical symbol and the Welsh word. And then we go through some of the words as well. So before we start, heddiw dydd Llun, today's Monday, yr ail ar 15 o Awst, the 17th of August, 2026, 2026, ac mae hi'n 1 munud ar 10 I 10 o hwyr. O, ac mae hi'n 1 funud ar 10 I 10 o'r hwyr, which is 11 minutes to 10 p.m. Link there for the news item, Miloedd, Bonnie Tyler's funeral. Lluniau, some more pictures. Nice dragon picture. Some other ones. And add your own descriptions, words, whatever you want to say about them. Just put the Welsh and the English there. Don't worry if you get it right or wrong. No need to sign up. No need to leave a name or anything. Just write, crap. But if it's real crap, I'll just delete it. So, whatever. We've got other elements here to go through. Oxygen. They all sound almost the same. Oxygen is oxygen. So you don't have the J sound of G in Welsh, but it's almost spell the words the same, but you could go for the G of the normal G in Welsh. Oxygen, oxygen. Carbon, carbon. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Nitrogen, nitrogen. Haearn, iron. Aur, gold. Arian, silver. Oh, it could be money as well, can't it? Copper, copper. Aluminium, aluminium, or aluminum, as they say in some places. Calcium, calcium. Sodium, sodium, sorry. Potassium. It's potassium. Chlorine. Chlorine. It's chlorine. Helium. It's helium. Silicon. It's silicon. Sulfur is sulfur. Phosphorus is phosphorus. Zinc is zinc, or sink in your kitchen. Magnesium is magnesium. Plum. What's most of your plumbing done with in the past? Yeah, lead poisoning. Yeah, plum is lead. Or leaden or plum as a verb. No, as an adjective, sorry. Tin is tin or can. Mercury. It's mercury. Quicksilver. Nickel is nickel. Chromium is chromium. Lithium is lithium. Fluorine is fluorine. Neon. Next, is it? Where are we? There. Neon.
Neon. Neon.
Neon. Neon.
Neon.
Neon. Neon. Argon. Argon. Uranium. Uranium, sorry.
Uranium.
Uranium. Uranium.
Uranium.
Plutonium.
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 And there's others on the page in the periodic table. Some pictures. No questions to go with them today, though. Because I was doing the periodic table. It took ages. What have we got now? More. Yeah, got games for them. 30 or so ones I've pulled out, the more popular elements. And then some news items. Arrestio, 3 bachgen wedi I dan gynnau ger gorsaf rheilffordd. 3 boys arrested after a fire broke out near a railway station. Chwilio am orwr ar ôl ddynes mewn cadair olwyn gael ei hanafu yn Wrexham. Search for driver after woman in wheelchair injured in Wrexham. Hanner o busnesau fferm mewn archwiliad llygredd heb gydymffurfion llawn a rheolau. Half of the farm businesses in a pollution audit did not fully comply with rules. Glaw ar y ffordd. Disgwyl i'r fyddin aros yn y ne Cymru I ddithodd tannau nes dyddiau. Rain on the road, on the way, rather. Expect the army to stay in the south. The army expected to stay in South Wales to put out fires until Thursday. Castell Nedd, dynes 45 oed wedi marw mewn gwrthdrawiad beic modur. Neath, a 45-year-old woman has died in a motorbike collision. And then there's another song for today. This one's about my new ice cream maker. So there's a sample of the ice cream maker at the beginning of the song. And then these are the words. Oh yeah, hufen iâ. Mae gen I hufen iâ. Beiriant. Oh, hufen iâ. Beiriant. Oh, hufen iâ. Oh yeah, ice cream. I have an ice cream. A machine. Oh, ice cream. A machine. Oh, ice cream. For ice cream. Ar gyfer hufen iâ, heb sugar hufen iâ. For ice cream without sugar ice cream. Oherwydd does dim angen sugar. Does dim angen sugar. Because there's no need for sugar. There's no need for sugar. Hufen iâ, hufen double. Dim pryderon o gwbl. Ice cream, double cream. No worries at all. Llais cyflawn, mae hynny'n iawn. Hufen iâ, mae hynny'n iawn. Full milk, that's okay. Ice cream, that's okay. Oh yeah, got a new ice cream maker, and yeah, I can make all sorts of different things now without the sugar in it, because it doesn't be any good. And it doesn't do anybody any good. So what I've done in that song as well is I've repeated hufen iâ a lot, because I've noticed that a lot of modern rappers sort of repeat things rather than get a rhyme word. I don't know if that's the way you do things, but that's what I've done on this one. Bye. Also, what I've just thought as well is the sound of the ice cream maker is repetitive as well, like the word hufen iâ in the song. Thank you. See, this is it.
Ie, hifen ia, mae gen I, hifen ia, beiriant o, hifen ia, beiriant o, hifen ia, ar gyfer, hifen ia, heb siwgr, hifen ia, oherwydd does dim angen siwgr. Does dim angen siwgr. Hifen ia, hifen dybl, dim pryderyn o gwbl, llaeth cyfle mae hynny'n iawn, hifen ia, mae hynny'n iawn.